Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to add location in Apple Maps on iPhone. Firstly, we are gonna start by opening Apple Maps, and here you need to find location you wanna add. For that, press and hold the location, and then you should see the screen, so pick report something missing, and you'll be able to add something to this location. So you can pick an address, street, a place, for example, add your business there, and so on. Let's use this option with business. And then you can enter name of place. You can add category if needed. So you can go through the list to find the right one or use this search bar. Also, you can add hours and days, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and add hours. You can adjust them by tapping and click again to add more. Then you can enter website here if you have one, as well as phone number and photo. Photo that clearly shows the building number and sign with the name to help review your report. So basically, you cannot add here fake location. It needs to be the real one so that Apple could check this. After that, you need to tap send button and Apple will check this location if it truly exists, and then it will be added to Maps. But again, you cannot add here fake location, just the real one. That's it for today. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.